Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'm going to go over what dunning management is and how to manage the dunning and cancellation settings within Bold subscriptions. Dunning management is an automated payment recovery feature that is activated in the event of payment failure. Payment failures usually occur when the payment method tied to the subscription is no longer valid. Your customers' failed transactions can be found in the Failing Payments report. You can download a CSV file of this report from the Bold Subscriptions dashboard under the Reports tab. Bold Subscriptions offers a few different options to help you manage situations when your customers' transactions fail. You can customize your dunning process to help reduce the number of subscription cancellations you received due to failing transactions. This can be managed within Bold Subscriptions under Settings, Dunning Management. In the first dropdown under Retry Attempts, you can change the amount of times that Bold Subscriptions attempts to collect a payment from subscriptions with failing transaction attempts. By default, the retry attempt is set to 8. However, you can adjust this amount by clicking the dropdown and change the value from 1 to 15. In the next dropdown under Days Before Retrying, you can adjust how often Bold Subscriptions attempts to process a transaction for your customers' credit cards after they fail. This gives your customers a chance to update their credit card information without risking the subscription being cancelled. By default, the days before retrying is set to 1 day. However, you can adjust this amount by clicking the dropdown and changing the value anywhere from 1 day to 15 days. In the last dropdown, you can determine what happens to the subscription once the retry attempts have been met for a failing subscription. Using the dropdown, you can either choose to cancel the subscription, pause the subscription, or skip over the order. Choose the option that works best for your store and click Save. When a subscription encounters a failed transaction attempt, an email can be sent to the customer to remind them to update their payment method. This email can be enabled and customized within Bold Subscriptions under Settings, Email Notifications, Transaction Failed. This email guides customers to log into their account on your store, access the customer portal, and update their payment method through an email that is sent from Shopify. Once the payment method is updated by the customer and the next payment attempt is successful, the order will process at 12 a.m. for your store's time zone. If customers are unable to access the customer portal on your storefront, you can send them an email on behalf of the customer to update their payment method from within the Bold Subscriptions admin. The email can be located on the customer subscription edit page under the payment information section and can be sent to the customer by clicking Change Payment Information. In the event that a subscriber needs to cancel their subscription, you can allow customers to cancel their subscription by enabling this setting within Bold Subscriptions under Settings, Customer Portal. To allow customers to cancel their subscription, enable the toggle to the right position next to Customer can cancel their subscriptions. When this setting is enabled, you can either show a set of instructions that subscribers must follow in order to cancel their subscription, or have the subscriber choose a reason for their cancellation. The cancellation reasons can be determined and configured within Bold Subscriptions under Settings, Cancellation Management. Once you have chosen a cancellation flow option and are finished with your configurations, click Save at the bottom of the page. If you are using Customer Retention Flow as your cancellation flow option, you can add your own questions to gather insight and data to why your customers are choosing to cancel, which is then available in reports. Additionally, you can utilize our integration with Zapier to offer discount codes as loyalty gestures to help reduce subscription churn. For more information on Bold Subscriptions, including our integration with Zapier, please visit our help center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.